Has your heating and cooling system been serviced lately? A good air conditioner contractor should be experienced enough to handle all your AC requirements, from seasonal checkups and simple repairs, right through to the installation of a full energy-efficient system if necessary. Don't take risks with your family's comfort and well-being by hiring the wrong heating and air conditioning contractor. Call us today. Pick up the phone now and call us for your air conditioner service and Sherwood, Arkansas needs today.